I am here to talk to you guys about how I finally caved and bought myself a nail art palette. Also, I don't think I can look at myself from this angle this whole time, but I might have to because I want you to see what I got. So I have wanted these for a very long time, but I just couldn't justify the purchase because it is a little bit, you know, I think I paid like $130 for this. And, you know, as a small business owner, we have like 5 million expenses. So even though this is actually like a good deal for what you get, I just like couldn't justify it considering the fact that I have like 5 million gel colors already. And so I just kept telling myself, it's fine. I can just, you know, pull them all out when I need them and put them all back. It's fine. I don't need, like, it's fine. Everything's fine. However, I did a set the other day that finally broke the camel's back, okay? I had to do a nail set where I pulled out like damn near every single color I had, and I only had to use like a little bit of each one on each nail, and so my whole desk was covered. It was a lot, and I finally was like, you know what? Let's just make our life easier and buy the nail art palette, okay? So this is from Miss Pink Nail. And it's like this little, also this is so much smaller than I thought it was gonna be from what it looked like in the pictures. Oh yeah, it's just like this little box, and then you can open it and you can put all these different gel color polishes. So you have it all in like one container. So if you do like a lot of hand painted nail art like I do, this is gonna be so handy because you don't have to pull out 5 million colors and have your whole desk covered. You can just do this. And I believe after I put all the polishes that it comes with in here, there should still be some extra so that you can like mix colors, because I do that a lot too. So then it comes with all of these colors, gel colors, in these little tubes that you can squeeze in to these little cubes. So not only can you add some of your own colors you already have, they send you, looks like 40 colors. So let's fill it up a little bit, shall we? Okay, there you have it. I feel like this is a good variety of colors. And like I said, you have all these boxes down here to like custom mix and stuff. Everything in my brain is wanting to rearrange these colors, but I am trying to keep them in order of the numbers on the tubes, because if I need to refill any of these, I want to be able to easily figure out what color is in there. These little guys in here are magnetic, so you can rearrange them or swap them out. I looked online trying to figure out if you could just buy these or just the tin separately so that you could maybe like expand or interchange stuff, but I couldn't find anything like that. However, you can buy the individual color refills, so you don't have to buy like the whole palette if you need to refill something. And they do have like little ones. Like if you don't want this big whole thing, they have like miniature versions of this that it costs a little bit less, and these little cubes are a little bit smaller. So that's an option. Also, if you don't do what I did and buy this on Amazon, you can save yourself like $30 by just going to the Miss Pink Nail website, because it costs less on there, which is great information to know after I've already filled these up, but that's okay. We're here now. Also, I did not use all of the colors in the tubes. You don't want to fill these up all the way because they will like spill into each other, and I feel like this is kind of obvious, but like you store this flat so that they also don't spill into each other. From what I've seen from other people, they don't dry out in this tin, but we'll find out. So yeah, I think this is gonna make my life a lot easier.